Today, guys, we are going to learn
The parts of the computer. Alright, first the hard drive. Data center of the computer. It's right here. It's the data center of the computer. Software, which is software is installed, and documents and other files are stored here. The CD-ROM is right here. It's for DVDs and other CDs such as softwares and downloading games. The power supply is the main source of the computer. We need this to power up the computer. The CPU, which is under here, and it is zoom in, cameraman. This is the brain of the computer. The RAM is right here. It's pretty much the memory for the computer, so they can like memorize and yeah. The motherboard is just right, like all this part right here, everything here, and it connects directly or indirectly to every part of the computer. So like for the RAMs and video card, yeah. The video card is right here, and it is used to see on the monitor, and the internet card is used for basically Wi-Fi. So you know you can go on YouTube and other stuff, and that is pretty much all.